back to Research Circle. So in this particular video, we are going to discuss about digitalization of medical and healthcare industry. What was changed during the past few years? Now, sweeping digital transformation trend is more than apparent, and it is not subsidizing any time soon. Industry by industry, we can see that entire products and the services are switching to digital environment. As traditional ones, healthcare and medical also have made a giant leap towards innovation in the past couple of years, particularly during the pandemic. So, from various data, it's shown that digitalization is a process already set in the motion across all our healthcare and pharma partners. So, in fact, consumer trend is one of the leading factors promoting this radical digital movement. Therefore, every company that want to stay relevant and competitive in ever-changing business circumstances of 21st century direct its effort toward the finding right tech vendor to smooth out the inevitable transformation. So let's just quickly look into some points. The first point here is changing consumer behavior. Shifting consumer behavior is a powerful driving force, and companies are using digitalization for this purpose as a way to adapt to changing food habits, more balanced personal care routine, and overall health consequences. Businesses develop more mobile apps that can cover exclusively market needs. From a mental self-care app for journaling and self-reflecting to sleep or fitness tracker, the solutions are currently bombarding App Store and Google Play, ranking as one of the top performing category along with the entertainment and personal finance. So on an average, consumers are now more demanding in regard to what they choose to devote their attention to, which also influences the whole digital healthcare area. Moreover, activity seeking relevant medical information, today's younger generation are strive to be empowered and in control of their own health. At the same time, the pressure is on governments to adjust the existing policies and adopt new regulations, giving companies and software developers greater freedom to serve the community in a positive way. The next point here is effortless doctor-patient communication. Now, in ancient Greek, the medical practice required doctor to be both physicians and service provider. Going from patient to patient, visiting them personally at the home, the reputation and the medical fees were almost entirely based on the financial capabilities of the patient. And until 18th century, whoever could afford a good doctor received a good treatment. Later on, Europe state began to play a more intensive role in healthcare, and primary care was introduced in the mid 20th century, laying the foundation of personal doctor-patient relationships. So more doctors worked in the private offices, so that home visits became an exception. Fast forward to the present day, when patients are more connected with their healthcare providers than ever. The digitalization wave in medicine began as early in 1970s with the introduction of first electronic health records, and then rapidly started to form an innovation snowball effect. This comprehensive timeline shows that most recent digital advancement in the sector, so it's thankful to cutting the edge of technology and innovation human spirit that in just 13 years the focus shifted from first mentor uh, from e-patient in 2017 to an FDA's approved for AI's driven ultrasound device. Now, a leap toward affordable healthcare. Many claim that healthcare's future in digital, but what difference will the whole digitalization bring regarding the service affordability? Even simple customer or a healthcare software solutions such as appointment scheduling tools or online patient doctor chat tools can be effective cost reduction option. So it's no secret that medical professions are busy and with hectic schedules. So every working solution that eases a daily process is more than a welcome. So in fact, in the recent study of 2021 reveals physicians' opinion that digital tools can facilitate a deeper doctor-patient relationship as a knowledgeable patient tends to be more involved and responsible this time. And particularly during the COVID-19 pandemic has shown us just how dependable our society is on digital technologies. As digitalization has already been a trend for a while, it was possible to quickly rearrange the service distributions in healthcare facilities and hospital and provide remote video doctor appointment as an additional way to stay in touch. In addition, various newer incentives such as a pay for performance, public-private partnership also reflect in more customer software uses. The next point here is new investment on the horizon. According to estimate, around 90% of the market players are affected by spending digitalization in medical industry. This almost an entire industry has undergone digital transformation, but how this is going to happen, that we have to see in the coming time. And the next point here is high hopes regarding AI. Now, artificial intelligence or simply AI is among the top 10 ranked technologies promise to reduce the healthcare cost significantly. This is due to its capabilities to automate specific manual tasks such as filling out EHR or prescriptions or routine checkup reminders. As a direct consequence, doctors are less burdened with the administrative tasks and have more time to devote to their patient. Plus, automation of the task can help to boost doctors' job satisfaction and even prevent the burn downs. So, however, AI can do much more than automation. After all, we what we mean by intelligence is a human capability to solve the problems, to excel the rational behavior. And in the coming year, we can see AI will help in several complex surgeries as well. So this is all about the today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to Research Circle channel. And thanks for watching.